Hi, welcome to the channel. Super excited to do a real quick overview of my Very Black Saturday, which started at Pyramid Arts in Hyattsville, Maryland. I've passed this place so many times and I never realized that it was like an arts center, but regardless, walked in, saw a really cute artsy store, immediately saw art being created right there and then I was really surprised and excited to find out that they have a ton of classes and programs that they do every month, every quarter. Like, it looks like they're always doing something, so I'm excited to go back there again soon. And of course, it's not a day getting around the DMV until you encounter some sort of protest or road closure or chaos on the way. So I think on Saturday there was a major protest or demonstration on behalf of Ukraine that was happening downtown. Thankfully, the closures were kind of in the opposite direction. I was coming from the suburbs going downtown, and a lot was shut down if you were coming from downtown and trying to get out of the city, but that's the risk of being in DC, I guess. Okay, so then next up was the art opening by Uzo Njoku. Really hope I'm saying that right. Always gotta support all things Black, African diaspora. She's a Nigerian American artist. Zimbabwe is not very close, but I'm still in support. So the cool thing about this opening that I neglected to realize before getting there was that the neighborhood theme was not just from her artwork, but she actually incorporated, I think it was either 12 or 13 other local artists. So this art that's on display is a mix of, several artists in the area. I was really impressed not only with the actual art itself, the variety of art and style, and then also just the actual presentation itself. I walked in, I wish I had gotten some pictures, but I walked in, there was, some great delicious Nigerian food. They had an open bar, and the whole thing just felt very, grown, sexy, classy, artsy. I met and chatted with so many nice people, so I had a great time. All in all, 10 out of 10. And then here's just a closer look at a few of my favorite pieces of art from the night. Everything was beautiful. The exhibit will be open for a few more weeks in March, so if you have a chance, I definitely recommend that you take the time out and go check it out live. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and follow for more.